Alright, in this quick comparison, we're looking at Nadex and Pocket Option, just to help you figure out which platform actually fits your options trading style a little better. So, starting with what they are. Nadex is a fully regulated US exchange that offers binary options, knockouts, and call spreads. Pocket Option is an offshore platform built around simple high-low style options with super quick trade setups. Reluctance, and that comes to regulation. Nadex is monitored by the CFTC, which means transparent pricing and strict rules around how trades work. Pocket Option isn't regulated in the same way, so it carries more risk, especially for beginners. In terms of the trading experience, Nadex gives you structured contracts where you can see your max risk and reward up front. Pocket Option focuses on fast trades, like 60-second or 2-minute options, which can be exciting but also pretty risky if you're not careful. Payouts work differently too. Nadex payouts change based on pricing, and you can exit early to lock in gains or limit losses. Pocket Option uses fixed payouts where you either win the full amount or lose your stake, which is simple but higher risk. So who are these platforms best for? Nadex is great for traders who want regulation, transparency, and a more stable long-term approach. Pocket Option appeals to people who want quick trades and a simple interface, though you really need strong risk management because of the offshore setup. So which one is better? If you want safety and structure, Nadex is the better choice. If you prefer fast, high-risk trading, Pocket Option might feel more exciting. Just keep the risks in mind. And yeah, that wraps it up. Hopefully this helped you choose the right platform, and feel free to check out the next comparison if you want more quick guides.